Well, it's time to get the Harleys out again, and if your old hog don't want to start or it's missing, this could be the problem. The old common weak-ass regulator housing problem. I should have got one of them anodized metal ones.
See that big crack right there? See that rubber O-ring sticking out? But that right there, these ears, supposed to hold that plastic part up here top against that metal. So it's to let that separate.
Yeah, see how there's a hole and it's just blowing the gas out the side.
So now you have to pull all that out.
Check that.
She hates when I pull that out.
Or that valve right there. I know.
Cheap ass fish shit part, man. They're responsible for all that. I think they do it shit on purpose. Keep her service department going.
It's $500 Harley job.
What's the problem?
Yeah, right there where the O-rings at.
Yeah. That little gap. That's where it's blowing them bubbles out the right inside of the tank. Damn, look at that.